have a big breaking news coming in. The United States has launched yet another massive wave of attacks on Iran, marking the 13th consecutive night of military strikes as tensions between Washington and Tehran continue to escalate. According to U.S. Central Command, American forces have begun fresh operations targeting Iranian military infrastructure linked to the IRGC, Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, and the scale of this particular attack appears significant, viewers. Iranian state media and IRGC affiliated outlets are reporting explosions across at least 7 different locations in a single night. Blasts have been reported in Kundab, Khorramabad, Taft, Shiruk, Anarak and Konarak, indicating that the strikes have spread across multiple provinces deep into the Iranian territory. One of the most sensitive locations reportedly targeted is outside Kundab in Markazi province. The area is home to Iran's heavy water production facility and also a nuclear complex, making it one of the country's strategically important nuclear sites. Iranian officials say U.S. missiles struck an area near the facility, although the extent of the damage remains clear as of now. Meanwhile, residents in Ahvaz, the capital of Khuzestan province, have also reported hearing multiple explosions. Khuzestan is a key oil-producing region, has once again found itself under fire as military activity intensifies in the region. In another major development, viewers, the IRGC claims that its air defense units intercepted and destroyed a U.S. Tomahawk cruise missile over Kanuj in Kerman province. The claim was carried by IRGC-affiliated Tasneem news agency. However, there has been no independent verification of the interception, and the U.S. military has not commented on the Iranian claim. As the bombardment enters its 13th consecutive day, U.S. President Donald Trump has warned that even bigger military action could follow if Iran continues what Washington describes as destabilizing activities in the region. While the White House has not announced any new operation, particularly beyond the ongoing strikes, Donald Trump's warning is likely to further raise the tensions between the two countries, with attacks now reported across several provinces, strategic sites under pressure, and both the sides continuing to exchange military and political warnings. The confrontation shows no immediate sign of easing. We will continue tracking every development, every official statement, and every update from both Washington and Tehran. Stay with us for continuing coverage of the Iran war.